Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home. Today we're going to get some cleaning done in my kitchen. Look how nasty my oven is, and it's all thanks to a giant lasagna that exploded in my oven. But thank God for the heaven-sent oven liner that you just seen me pull out of my oven. And today we're going to give this a really good scrub down with the pink stuff. So if you haven't tried the pink stuff, I really recommend it. I use it on my tubs. I use it on especially things that need a deep down good clean like this oven. And the only thing that I can say about the pink stuff is just to make sure that you get it wiped up, because it can leave sort of kind of a semi-sandy, like, I don't know, debris behind if you don't wipe it good enough. So as you can see here, I am getting my oven good and scrubbed. As you can see here, I am scrubbing that oven liner with some Dawn soap and a semi-abrasive sponge to get all the caked on, stuck on stuff. And let me tell you, if you have not ever tried oven liners, these are obviously washable. It came in a pack of 3 from Amazon. It is worth every single penny. This has kept me from really having to bend down and kill myself to scrub that oven, a job that none of us enjoy doing. And this is a non-stick oven liner, so it is easy to clean. Now here's a real quick before, and then you're going to see what it looks like when it's all nice and squeaky clean. Here it is now. So as you can see, the pink stuff works. Using the pink stuff once again on my range top gets all that stuck on debris, and it really simplifies cooking messes. It works for me every time. I never can complain about using the pink stuff when it comes to cleaning my stove. Now, I will say I did scrub my plates that go in the top, and they never come 100% clean. I mean, my oven is thoroughly used. My stove is thoroughly used. So it doesn't necessarily come completely clean. Now, this part does, the top does, but the little plates, no, they don't ever come completely clean. But if you have any tips on how to get those completely clean, I'd love to hear from you. Now I'm going to use that precious pink stuff all over my kitchen sink. I'm just going to foam it up good with that cleaner, and I'm going to rinse it, and it always makes my sink shine. Now I'm getting out my cedar mop, and I'm going to load it with the orange cleaner that I bought from Target. I was really trying to save a little bit of money by buying the Target generic all-purpose cleaner, and honestly, I like Pine Sol better. But I am not going to let this waste. I'm going to use this, and when it's gone, I will go back to my Pine Sol. But I'm going to give my floor a good clean with my cedar mop. I am putting out some little bags of chips. It's various kinds here on my shelf that I have in my dining room. It does overflow the bowl, but trust me, they get ate very quickly. But this way, they're easy to grab and easy to access when it's lunchtime. And my husband can find them because he does go over here to the bookshelf and help himself. If you all are not aware and you are new to my channel, hello. My husband is completely blind, so I do have to lay things out so that they are easily accessible for him. Now, last thing that I have on my list today to do is to clean off my kitchen table. My father-in-law brought me a few things over in those bags, and I have those drinks in the box, and I'm just basically going to tidy up and wipe down the table and put things away. As I'm finishing up tidying up this dining room table, I just simply want to end this video with saying thank you so much for watching. I hope this motivates you. I hope this inspires you to tackle some of those things that we tend to put off because we look at it like it's going to take us forever to do, such as put away all this mess and clean up our ovens. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, and I will be seeing you again soon.